Good morning, fam. Welcome to a new day. Watch out, hello. Today we're on our way to Tito and Tita. Today's their last day. We're dropping them off at the airport. And we're gonna have breakfast over there at their hotel, at the Marriott. Oh no, this is it! Thanks for visiting! Until next time!
To be continued.
To be continued yung yung tour ng Iloilo.
Tita, on mo yung phone mo, i-airdrop mo.
Hindi pa naubos.
Hindi pa lang, yeah. We're just like a little bit of Iloilo.
Oh, okay.
So we're back in the airport to drop off Tita and Tito. Ano naman ito eh? We're in shade. Oh. We're set the picture before we leave.
Siya nga nagpapapalit. Yakin pala kayo.
Come back and visit us.
Okay.
Anytime.
Nag-enjoy ka nga.
Yeah. Give everybody, give the girls a hug from us. We'll miss you guys again.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, thank you. Hola.
Ingat ha. Stay kayo. Ingat kayo.
Sige. Sige.
Anytime.
Bakubay ko sa Philippines.
Stay here. Stay dito. Halong.
Pull like here. Like that. So, good afternoon, fam. We just dropped off Tito and Tita at the airport. They just arrived at the Manila, and we're gonna we're back here at the site. drop off some food for the workers that stayed in today. Today's Sunday, and it's off day. So let me show you guys a little update on the house. So the roof's almost done, and I believe they're gonna start. We're gonna have to start deciding on the paint color for the exterior, height of the shower, all that stuff, all that good stuff. And they're also gonna start doing a lot of the interior work, like skim coating and all that stuff. So also instructed the architect to make sure that the bathrooms, all the bathrooms are waterproofed, similar to the waterproofing that they're doing on the outside and the exterior walls. Yeah, so far that's where we at. Door jambs on the second floor is being installed. I don't know if you guys remember, there was or I don't know if I even mentioned it, but there was an oversight from our part on one of the closet door jambs. It opened towards the inside and not the outside, so it renders it useless if you're opening it towards the inside on a small closet. So we switched that. No big deal. Let me see if I could show you guys how that works first. So with the way the door jambs are being installed, you see these nails. What it is the nails are, that's why they put a gap in between, and then they just throw concrete in there and pack it with concrete, and that nail is the one that holds the door jamb right there. Cool. And once they're done, they're just gonna repack it again, all that. So yeah, it was, you know, unlike in the States, they had to, in the States we're all working with wood, so there was rain, unfortunately, so there's water in there, so we need to kind of take the water out, siphon it with a water pump. There you go. We started the fencing on that side already. Door jambs. AC lines there. You can see the installations are installed. this is what we're trying to do here is we're gonna waterproof this whole thing, and waterproofing it would seal the concrete so we can make sure that, you know, molds don't grow underneath, no moisture sipping in, all that stuff. So this was the only one. It's not really a problem, but we're gonna put a bigger exhaust fan on this one because the other bathroom, this doesn't have any, so it's all concrete right there. So what we're gonna do is those flexi tube that you attach the exhaust from, we're gonna throw it all the way to that side right over there. So that's the only reason why we need to put a bigger exhaust fan in there, because of that. It has the air has to travel a little bit farther. So if you guys see those right there, those are hidden drain pipes that would be connected to the gutter right there. So they're all going to be hidden. And similar to that, if you notice, it's not on the post, it's on the side of the post right there. So just like an example right here, for this one, the exhaust fan doesn't have to travel that far, so we don't need a big exhaust fan on this one. It just goes over these eaves. And we're gonna have a like a vent on the eaves, and then we're gonna paint it the same color as the eaves. So according to the architect, it will, the eaves that we're gonna put in there will be like a little darker color, so it looks like there's a floating roof on top. So look who's here.
Hello, fam. I bet you missed me. Lights still don't work yet.
We don't have lights. Preston's room is almost done.
The best room, the coolest party room.
Party room, the game sing room.
And since Monon's still not gonna be here, I get an extra room, technically.
Daddy, Olaf said thank you. This hair is nice and easy.
Oh, look at Max.
Olaf said this is easy, Dad. Oh.
And he almost fell right off.
You guys see that? AC drain. Drain right there. Goes all the way. Look at Manang's room.
My extra room for now. And light check? No lights.
No lights on this one. Two.
Don't think like come built in with a light.
Maxie, come on.
No.
Yeah. Battery is running out on this camera. So I think we're gonna end the video there today. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and thank you for supporting our channel. And we'll see you guys in the next.
Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on.